Hi, I'm Jenny with CocoaDaisy, and in this video we're unboxing the planner kit, the planner inserts, and the notebooks from the September 2026 Marigold and Honey collection. Okay, we're going to open up the Marigold and Honey Planner Kit. So the kit comes with 3 sheets of pattern paper that are folded and scored and folded, and they are double-sided. These papers, plus our notebooks, inserts, those types of items are printed at a printer somewhat local to CocoaDaisy headquarters using recycled inks and recycled papers. Okay, so now we also have a sheet of PET stickers. Yours will come and they will look like our traditional PET stickers. These just look a little bit different, the ones that I received, and I needed to film this before the replacements arrived, so just know yours will be our traditional PET stickers. We have our planner stickers, and there is 4 sheets of stickers included. Okay, so we have a large sheet of stickers that features our functional items, the dates, the days of the week, some labels for your tabs, and some icons. Then we also have a sheet that includes alphabets, dates, labels. And then there is a sheet that has the alphabets and the little number stickers. And then also a sheet that features a bunch of beautiful decorative items. We have a package of 2 adhesive pockets. There is 1 larger pocket and 1 smaller pocket. We have our little decorative card that on the back there is a spot to test your pens and to stamp. Also, you could test out the different inks that coordinate with the collection, or however you want to use this beautiful and lovely little card. We also have a package of our die cut stickers. So all you have to do is peel the back off and then stick these onto your project. There's a variety of different shapes and types of the stickers. So you see, like, you have the moth and then the little medallions, a leaf, some florals. It's just a nice little mix. I think that the colors in this collection are so beautiful, especially for the month of September. I hope you love them too. I think that they're going to be really, really fun to work with. Now, the die cut stickers also include this set of tabs, and they are all different patterns, and they are also adhesive. You just peel the back off and they will stick. They're wonderful, of course, for using on notebooks and planners, but I like to use them on the edge of photos as well to label names or places or dates. We have our sticky notepad that looks like a tag, and of course there are a lot of sheets for you to jot down all of your to-dos and reminders and lists, or use them in your projects. We have our acrylic date card. You'll want to peel the the protective plastic off, but it has the month calendar. And then we have our pen holder. And so this is really fun. Here is our mild liner that's included in the kit, and it matches the collection. And as you can see, it is a dual tip mild liner, but you have the chisel tip, and then you also have the little fine tip as well. And you can slide your pen right inside the pen little loop. Then we have the cutest little paper clip this month. Yes, you heard me right. It is a paper clip. So You can see how we have the cute little dark glasses, and then on the back it has the little clip. It's so cute. And then last but not least, we have this roll of the medallion washi tape. So this is our Marigold and Honey Planner Kit, and you can subscribe to this kit and receive it just as it is, or you can subscribe to this kit with our notebooks or planner inserts. And if you'd like to see photos, project ideas, or digital renderings, plus the content list for this kit, you can see all of that on our website. All right, let's take a look at the planner inserts and the notebooks from the Marigold and Honey collection. So there are 2 different types of planner inserts in 3 different sizes. And then there are 6 notebooks in 2 different styles. So let's go ahead, we'll talk about the planner inserts first. So I'm going to move the notebooks. So the 2 different styles of planner inserts we have are in A5 size and personal. These 2 are the same except for the different sizes. So as you can see, are the sizes that you would associate with maybe a ringed planner. And you can receive these punched with 6 holes, or you can receive them unpunched. The ones that I have here are all punched, and they are, as I said already, the same except for their size. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the A5 just so you can get a better look at these. Now the other inserts we have are our classic vertical inserts. They are 7 by 9 inches, and they are approximately the same size as a classic happy planner. And they are unlike any of the rest of the inserts or notebooks or anything like that. So I will show you those next, but let's take a look at the A5 planner inserts. Now, as I said already, they are the same as the personal, just obviously different proportions for their size. The cover has a nice, beautiful cardstock cover with a tab. And then on the back side, there is a monthly calendar. And we get right into our striped pages, which are very, very popular. And there is enough of these for the whole month. And then you can see over here that is a dot grid with just a really faint little bit of artwork around the edges. And then we have a grid notes page, and we head into our weekly view. So this is the weekly view. It is a horizontal layout, and Saturday and Sunday share a row at the bottom. They are undated. All of this planner is undated except for the monthly view. The monthly view does have dates, but the rest of the pages are undated. So there's enough of these for the whole month. And in between each week, there are 2 notes pages. These note pages in between are great for scrapbooking, journaling, meeting notes, ideas, anything that you would use blank pages for. They're really, really versatile. The paper in this planner, in the planner inserts and the notebooks is beautiful. It is fountain pen friendly. It's just really a pleasure to write on. The inserts and notebooks, those types of items are printed at a printer somewhat local to CocoaDaisy headquarters, and they use recycled inks and recycled papers. Okay, so now after the weekly view, we have this dot grid page and then a checklist notes page, and our larger monthly view that also includes a sidebar. And then we have our annual calendar and a notes page. And then we get into our daily pages. They are undated, and they are designed to be used as these 2 pages for one day. Obviously, you can use them any way that you would like to. So this page is an open layout, and then this side has 4 different types of lines with little checklists, and you can see at the top there are headers, like if you wanted to say to do today, you know, those types of things, whatever categories you make your day. And then there's a little faux sticky note down there that you can use for a variety of different things. Now there's enough of these daily pages for the whole month. And again, you know, so the idea is that you would use both of these pages for one day. And of course, you can use them however you see fit. But so as you see here, all the days of the month. And then at the end of the month, you finish with your daily layout. And then the back is another notes page. So this is the A5 planner insert. And as I said, you can receive them punched or unpunched. And the personal size are the same. Now our other planner inserts are the classic vertical, and I already explained they do fit. They are 7 by 9 inches. They coordinate this about the same size as a classic happy planner, and they're also the same size as our daisy planner. So the front page is a nice heavy cardstock weight paper, and then so you have 2 notes pages inside. And then the monthly view. The monthly view is dated, but it's the only portion of the inserts that are dated. And then we have our weekly view. So you can see it is a vertical orientation that also has a sidebar, and there are enough of these so that you can use one for each week of the month. There is art around the edges, but there's nothing really on the place where you might add your planning, your ideas, your journaling, that type of thing. Now at the end of the weekly view, we get into a little notes page with a checklist, and then right into our striped pages. These are the striped pages for our classic vertical, and they are different than the other striped pages, not only in design, but these are also perforated. So you can easily fold them over. And as you can see here, there's also room for a gutter. So if you're going to punch them to go into a binder or punch them for discs, there is room for those, and still that you can fold over the paper. When we turn the sheet over, you can see that the back of this is the striped page, is a checklist, and the back side of the checklist is a dot grid. So you can obviously also easily tear these apart and take this one with you and leave this one in your planner, or however you like to use these. And as always, there's enough of the striped pages that you can use these throughout the month. So those are the classic vertical inserts, and those do come only unpunched. Now for our notebooks, we have an A5 size notebook. We have a standard size traveler's notebook. Our Daisy Weeks notebook, which basically coordinates to the same size as a Hobonichi Weeks. We have a B6 notebook. We have our mini notebook. And then we have our Simple Daisy. The Simple Daisy is different than the rest of these, as it has blank pages, but then also patterned paper. So I'm gonna set this one aside. And these 5 notebooks are all the same on the inside. The only thing that is different is their size. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip through the A5 so you can get a really good look at this notebook. So the outside has a heavy craft cover, which is really fun for decorating. And then when you open it up, there is this lovely decorative cover. And we have a lined page and then our striped pages. And as always, enough of these pages for the whole month. and a dated calendar view. The monthly view is the only one that is dated in our inserts or our notebooks. And then we get into our pages. They are mostly blank. You can see that there are some scattering of artwork from the collection, but by and large, the majority of the page is blank. These notebooks are good for so many different things. You can use them for planning, of course. You can use them for bullet journaling, scrapbooking. I like to use mine to keep track of my to be read lists. I like to also use them for just jotting down notes as well as journaling. And the paper is beautiful and is fountain pen friendly. It's just really a lovely, lovely notebook. And then we get to the end and the back has a beautiful back cover as well. And this month's is making your daily schedule a little more graceful. And then of course we have the craft on the back as well. So as I said, there's 5 different sizes in this style of notebook. And we also then have our Simple Daisy. So our Simple Daisy is a standard size traveler's notebook, but it's different than the others. And when you open it up, it has a lovely cover. And then we get into the pages that are a variety of grid, dot grid, and lined with different pattern papers throughout. This notebook is of course wonderful for scrapbooking, but it's also fantastic for journaling, collaging, planning, just anything that you would use a notebook for. This one is also wonderful. It's just a little bit different. And so lots of people love having the addition of the pattern paper, and it really is a wonderful addition. Now, in addition to being able to subscribe to any of the notebooks or inserts individually, you can also subscribe to them and receive them as an add-on with our planner kit. However, the Simple Daisy notebook you can also receive as an add-on to our scrapbooking kit in addition to the planner kit or on its own. So any of the planner kit, the notebooks, the inserts, if you'd like to see photos, digital renderings, project ideas, or the content list for the planner kit, you can see all of that on our website.